start out today kind of going over some of the things that we've learned with how-to writing, okay? With how-to writing, our paper looks different, right? Because we're giving people instructions on how to do something. Remember we wrote about how to do how-to writing, or how to do writer's workshop, and we wrote the steps, and then we drew pictures to go with it. And we also talked about how with how-to writing, you have to make sure you give it a name. Because if I put all these steps down here and somebody doesn't have any idea what they're doing, they're not going to be able to read it and follow instructions. If I'm telling Colt, if I'm telling somebody how to go squirrel hunting, I need to say at the top, how to squirrel hunt. If I'm telling them how to make a Lego, I need to write how to build a Lego, or how to make pancakes, or how to brush their teeth. And do you guys remember when we did brushing our teeth, Colt? Colt. Do you remember when you did brushing the teeth? What did we do for that one? Did we write it? Parker, what did we do?
We acted it out.
We acted it out. So we would remember it, so we didn't skip any steps, remember? And so sometimes when you do how-to writing, you might want to act it out to make sure that you're including all the steps. But another way that we need to organize our how-to writing is we need to use words that will help us, okay? So when I'm giving instructions, I'm probably always going to start with first. And that's a great word to help somebody know that this is the first thing they're going to do, right?
That's easy.
First.
It's just
Okay, so if I'm giving instructions, what would come after that?
second,
Maybe second, or I could also say,
third,
no, I'm not going to skip to third. I'm not going to say first, third. I might say first, then second, but I could also say first, then next, or I could say after. But I think I'm going to do next, okay? So first, I do something. Next, I'm going to do this. And then for this one, this is going to be my last step. So I'm just going to say last.
that's a short word.
It is. If you wanted to do first, second, third, you could do it that way. Or you could say first, then after, or then, or and last, or thirdly. But it's really important when you do how-to writing that you use words that help the reader understand what the steps are, okay? Because they're going in order. If I'm brushing my teeth and I start out by putting my toothbrush away, is it gonna work? No. If I don't have my toothbrush and I just start squirting toothpaste, is that gonna work? No, I have to go in order. So when I do how-to writing, it's important to use these words or some words to help the reader understand what comes first, what comes next, and what comes after. Okay? Do you guys understand that?